Come back to Jamaica.
Come run on a ribbon of white sand.
What's old is what's new.
Come, sip Blue Mountain air.
We want you to join us.
Come ride our gentle trade winds.
We made it for you.
Come share our happiness.
So make it Jamaica.
Come take tea by the sea.
Make it your own.
Come daydream in a private cove.
Make it Jamaica.
Come glide through enchanted evenings.
Your new island home.
Come share the incomparable variety that brought Noel Coward home to Jamaica year after year. Come, make it Jamaica again and again.
Make it Jamaica. Your new island